Have you ever asked yourself, how does a function change? You know, we usually have the points, we can see the graph, but how is it actually changing? Let's imagine we have a parabola and we draw a slope at one point. Let's pick x equals 1. Now, let's pick all the different possible points throughout the slope. You can get closer and closer, and we will see how it is creating continuous slope throughout the function. As an example, let's imagine a block that it's moving. To simplify it, let's say that the force is just going to be equal to mass times acceleration. We will have one vector for acceleration and one for velocity. As we can see in this example, the velocity is constantly changing, but the arrow for acceleration is just the same. If we want to move on numerically, we can see that in this case I wrote some equations that are just imaginary, just to understand what is happening. Again, velocity is labeled as a quadratic function, while acceleration, it is a derivative of velocity. Basically, by applying the power rule, we can get acceleration. We can see how the acceleration changes slower than velocity in this case. But in a way, they're both related to each other, which means that if we have one, we can get the other one.